Welcome to HYCM Insight with myself, Giles Copland. One of the resources that HYCM clients have is access to Seasonax. Now, Seasonax provides an analysis of different stocks, commodities, indices, currency pairs, and provides strong seasonal data for potentially actionable trades. Now, if you just take a look at the screener option, you can see you can look at a range of different markets. Let's look at S&P 500 financials. They tend to do very well during a hiking cycle. So with the Fed projected to increase interest rates a number of times this year, that's worth looking at. Let's look at a start date of the 18th of January. We're going to look over a period of 15 years, 31 to 60 days. And we can see that of this group, we have a number of potential candidates. So let's look at JPMorgan, and we can just see that over this time period from the 18th of Jan to 26th of Feb, that it's risen a total of 12 times in 15 years. And you can see that the gains exceed the losses, and the average return is 4.76%. So obviously the major trade outlook risk to this is if the Federal Reserve retreat from their financial perspective to raise interest rates for the economic policy of the US. Also, if there's any particularly bad news for JPMorgan Chase Co, that can hinder this potential trade outlook. But Seasonax has a whole range of different indices, commodities, and you can contact your account manager if you're an HYCM client and get access to using the Seasonax product straight away.